Good morning, all. Myself Pawan Jaiswal from TraderSmith, and today is September 1st. That is first day of this September month 2022. So let's start this pre-bill with us. But before discussion anything about market, this is the disclaimer from our side. So our disclaimer is just like it is just for educational purpose, and please do not consider as any form of buy or sell recommendation of any security or any stock or any index. Okay, so let's move further. Now this is the overall snapshot of global market, and as per data, US market, all major index like Nasdaq, Dow, S&P 500 closed on lower side. SGX Nifty in today morning is trading almost 350 point negative. European market closed in downside, and Asian market is also trending in downside. So global cues from all part of world is negative, and our SGX Nifty is also indicating, that is one of the indication for our at least for Nifty 50, that how it is going to open. So that also indicates some negativity, or I can say that almost 2% negativity. So let's see how market will behave. Okay. So this is the key news, that the US market continues to fall for trading session. So today night it was fourth day. Then Brent crude oil currently now once again it has crossed $102, and even though there is some ease down because of some lockdown or recessionary lockdown in China and recessionary fear, economical recessionary fear. Okay, rupee is almost trending in sideways zone in between 79 to 80, and currently stands at 79.5. Indian economy grew by 13.7%. This is the major data. Yesterday there was a presented by government, that growth is slower compared to previous physical year in same quarter, and this was despite this growth was not as per expectation, even though last year base was very low because of COVID, and that is the main reason market is reacting in today. Market may be react in this particular data, and another thing is that SGX Nifty is also indicating, so most probably market will turn market will remain negative for at least today point of view and tomorrow point of view, or at least for next this week or next week point of view. Now economy likely to grow, this is the estimates from finance secretary, finance department, that most probably our growth, India's growth would be around 7.4% around in this financial ongoing financial year. Windfall tax once again increased from 13,000 to 13,300 on crude, and Japanese is 24-year low, and it is because of policy gap. But of course policy gap is there, but another major reason in my opinion is that the US dollar is continuously strengthening. If you see from the last few months, US dollar is dollar index is continuously strengthening, and that is why US dollar is outperforming to all global peers, and that is another main reason is that our Indian rupee is also underperforming. Okay, NCPI to acquire 10% stake in ONDC. ONDC, that is not a new initiative taken by government. So let's see how they are going to roll out in coming few quarters. Now, next is that company specific news. That is, there is some news for Reliance Brand, that they have acquired some this of the Campa and Socio. Another is this Infosys divested stake in data preparation software company. There is a news from Tata Motor Fund. Okay, and G and Disney Star have signed a strategic licensing. And apart from news, global news, macro news, as well as micro news, now this is the derivative data, most important data key point for at least for today's trading session, that is weekly expiry. And as per this, PCR, Nifty PCI stands at 1.3%. Sorry, 1.3 only, it's not percent, 1.3. And maximum call OI at 18,000, followed by 17,800. But after today's activity and on the basis of a started data, now it is almost, I think it is used. This market most probably will remain traded in downward trajectory only today and tomorrow. So, but call data stands at this level. Likewise, Nifty put option. So put option 17,000 followed by 17,300. And in last webinar, Bajar Pe Charcha also I have been, shared a level that is 17,300 and 17,900 is a level. Most probably Nifty will remain traded in range only. And once again, it was remain traded in that range only. So most probably is, let's see how it will hold after this data point. Maybe not today, then tomorrow it will reach that 17,300 as well as 17,000 both level. But it will take time. Obviously, it is not going to reach only today only. But maybe tomorrow, next day, or maybe next week, it will it may breach actually. And likewise in Nifty also. So Nifty now most probably Bank Nifty also may behave in downward side only. But at the same time, the downward support as per option data is 38,000 followed by 37,000. And technical is also support. Technicals also suggesting some kind of support around 38,000. But maybe this 38,000 may be also breach in coming few days. Okay. So now, in my opinion, market may behave negatively after this data, at least for in coming few days or today, tomorrow, and most probably next week as well. Okay. Now next, next. Okay. So I think this is the daily chart of Nifty 50. So Nifty chart is suggesting same thing that I was trying to share on the basis of derivative data. And this range on Nifty 50 is around 17,300 in downside. And then in my last time also, Nifty took support around 21 EMA that was placed around 17,343 and 50. And after that there was some sharp bounce back happened in last couple of trading sessions. But now most probably after this data point declaration from government, maybe it will fall that 17,300, maybe 17,000 in next couple of trading sessions, and it will remain traded in sideways with negative bias only. And likewise in Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty was also reacted after taking support at 21 EMA, but afterward, this also seems that negativity may increase, and level wise, I can say 38,000 is a critical level. Now, meanwhile, once it will breach 38,000 kind of level, so I can say that at least 50 DMA kind of fall may happen, and that 50 DMA is placed around, I think, 37,000. So after considering all this derivative data, technical data, macro data, after considering all these things, I can say in conclusion that in next couple of days, market will remain traded in downward trajectory with negative bias. So that's it from my side in this pre-well. Thanks for joining this session. And I would wish all of you that or has advised to remain trading with some caution in this type of market, volatile market. So thanks for joining this session.